Namaskar to all my dear students. Today I am going to teach you the chapter measurement from physics. This video is especially for the students of grade 6, 7, 8 and 9. Before starting to teach this chapter, as you know, there are 4 branches of science we are studying in our course: physics, chemistry, biology, astronomy and geology. This measurement chapter is from physics. So I hope this video will be helpful to you, all the students of grade 6, 7, 8 and 9. I have pasted some objectives. After completion of this chapter, students will learn something. So on completion of this chapter, students will be able to define measurement, physical quantity and give an example of each, define fundamental and derived units and give an example of each, measure the different things by using measurement skills, for example length, mass, time, weight, etc. Explain SI units with examples, show the interrelationship between fundamental and derived units, and what are the local units and standard units. Then while we are going to start this chapter, measurement, first of all we should know the definition of measurement. What is measurement? So measurement is the process of comparison of an unknown quantity with a known physical quantity. It's called measurement. This measurement we are using in our daily activities. So it is helping us to run our daily activities. For example, 1 kg potato is weighed with the help of an iron cylinder of weight 1 kg. Measurement is expressed in a unit and its numerical value, like 5 kg, 10 second, etc. So we should know the importance of measurement also. In your exam also, this question asking many times. So here I included only 3 points. There are other importance of measurements also. So for first point, for selling and buying goods, to perform scientific experiments, measurement of the medicine is a must in the treatment physics. Then after, we should know the definition of physical quantity. What is physical quantity? The quantities which can be measured directly or indirectly are called physical quantities. Okay? Which can be measured directly or indirectly. So for example, length, mass, time, speed, temperature, velocity, etc. are the example of physical quantities. Then after, we should know the types of physical quantities. How many types of physical quantities are there? There are 2 types of physical quantities: fundamental quantity and derived quantity. And this fundamental quantity can be defined as the physical quantities which are independent and cannot be obtained from other quantities are called physical quantities. And this, for example, length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity and amount of substance also. So this fundamental quantity is also called basic quantity. There are 7 basic fundamental quantities are there. The next one is the derived quantity. This derived quantity also can be defined as the physical quantities which are dependent on fundamental quantities are called derived quantity. For example, area, volume, density, velocity, acceleration, etc. are the example of derived quantity. Next one, unit. The standard measurement of physical quantity The standard measurement of physical quantity is called unit. The standard measurement of physical quantity is called unit. And this standard unit is also can be defined as the unit which is accepted all over the world is called standard unit. For example, meter, kilogram, second, time, edition. And this SI unit, the internationally recognized units of measurement is called SI unit. And these units are also divided two types. There are two types of SI units: fundamental unit and derived unit. This fundamental unit can be defined as the units of fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. For example, meter, kilogram, second, Kelvin, ampere, candela, and mole. And this derived unit also defined as the units of derived quantities. The units of derived quantities are called derived unit. For example, meter square, meter cube, meter per second, etc. And these types of system of measurements. There are 4 types of system of measurements are there, which are accepted all over the world. CGS system, the system in which there are 4 types of system of measurements: CGS system of measurements, MK system of measurements, FPS system of measurements, and SI system of measurements. So first one is CGS system, the system in which length is measured in centimeter, mass is measured in gram, and time in second is called CGS system. And this CGS system is also called French system. And FPS system, the system in which length is measured in foot, mass is measured in pound, and time is measured in second is called FPS system. This is also called British system. Next one is the MK system, the system in which length is measured in meter, mass in kilogram, and time in second is called MK system. This is also called metric system. And this next one is the last one is the SI system. The French name is System International Units, or International System of Units is the full form of SI system. And this system is also accepted. In SI system, length is measured in meter, mass in kilogram, and time in second. This SI system also defined as the system in which agreed by the International Convention of Scientists held in France is called SI system also. So then after, we should know the local units. At the ancient time, there were used local system of measurements like mana, pathi, muri, sau, ser, chatak, beta, hath, foot, gauge, like this. So these nowadays standard system of measurements are used: meter, kilogram, Kelvin, ampere, mole, candela, etc. And other units are also there. So it's like that. We should know the area, how it is measured. Area, what is area? The space covered by a body is called area. Its SI unit is meter square, square meter. Area of rectangular objects can be calculated by using the formula A is equal to L into B. Area of square A is equal to L square. Area of circle A is equal to pi r square. And this volume is the total space occupied by a body. It's called volume. Its SI unit is meter cube, or cubic meter. And volume of cuboid can be calculated by using the formula L into B into H. Volume of cube can be calculated by using the formula L cube. Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of cylinder B is equal to pi r square H, where L is the length, B is the breadth, H is the height, pi Raynaud, that is its value is 22 by 7 or 3.14. R is the radius of sphere, radius of cylinder. Comparison in mass and weight. So what is the what is the difference between weight, mass and weight? Mass and weight can be the amount of matter contained in a body is called mass. The amount of matter contained in a body is called mass. And weight is the force of gravity on a body is called weight. Mass is a scalar quantity, that's why it has only magnitude. Weight has both magnitude and direction, so it is called vector quantity. Mass is measured in kilogram, weight is measured in Newton. Its SI unit is Newton. It is measured by beam balance, physical balance, and its mass is measured by beam balance. It remains constant everywhere. Mass remains constant everywhere, and this weight does not remain constant. It is variable. It changes from place to place. And other units are also there. Other measurements are also there. So you should know that. We should read them also. Time. What is time? The duration between any two events is called time. A watch or clock is used to measure time. 1 mean solar day, the time taken by the Earth to complete one rotation around the Sun in its axis is called 1 mean solar day. It takes 24 hours. 1 hour, 1 interval out of 24 intervals of a solar day. 1 second, 1/6400th parts of a mean solar day is called 1 second. Assignment I have given to you all. After completion of this chapter, this question answer also very important for you, for your exam. So please, let's try to solve this question answer. If you have any query, if you have any problem, confusion, please you can ask me through message. So here I have pasted 4 types of questions: Group A, Group B. Group A 1 marks question, Group B 2 marks question, Group C 3 marks question, and Group D 4 marks question. Importance questions: Group C and Group D. So at last, please watch, like, comment, share and subscribe this channel also. If you support me, if you like me, then I will also make another videos for your knowledge, for your improvement in your study. So please, thank you for watching and share to your friends. I hope this video will be really helpful